Hi, and welcome to Work in the Yard with Will. Hi, my name is Will, and thank you for joining the channel today. And if you have any comments, please feel free to provide a comment, like, share, subscribe. Let's go ahead and jump into it. So today we're going to be working on an irrigation project. I've been neglecting watering some trees that I put in a few days ago. I'm sorry, earlier in the year. And so it's starting to warm up here in zone 7A. And so I need to go ahead and stop hand watering and get these guys on a regular system. I'm gonna switch the camera around so you all can check it out. All right, what we have over here is we have a magnolia that's kind of suffering. I have a red bud over here that I need to get on a steady water. A few Japanese maples. This particular one is a coral bark. And down the line, several different cedar trees. This particular blue spruce right here, Colorado blue spruce, is definitely suffering. I moved it from one area down to another, and so it's kind of needs a little help. All right, we'll get going on setting up the irrigation, and we'll talk to you later. All right, making a little bit of progress here. We got that 360-degree sprayer that's gonna go and cover both of these. Got this standard arborvitae here that's gonna have its dedicated emitter. Essentially, I'm just walking the whole yard and giving these guys some much needed water. It's blue Atlas cedar. I got some new growth growing on it actually, looking at those nice green spikes there coming out. So it's happy. I just want to give it a tad bit more water. But my Leland's down here, believe it or not, I picked these up out in front of a grocery store a couple years ago, and they're doing phenomenal. Same for them. I got a special trick that I'm doing for the Lelands though. I'll have to show you on another video. Theodore cedar. It's looking nice, got some nice new growth on it as well. And coming down here to the emerald green arborvitaes. Got a little bit of brown at the bottom, but for the most part, they're still looking really good. All right, these are the tools I use for today. Use a pair of secateurs to go ahead and to cut the tubing. I use those directional emitters. The blue one is 0 degrees, which goes directly to the plant. That green one is a little bit wider. The red one is 360 degrees, which goes all the way around if you have a couple plants close together. I use a tool to punch a hole inside of the tubing. If you have a tube that's a little bit too long, you can use that to tie it off. It isn't necessary, but it's something nice to have. Another type of emitter that goes there, I believe that's about a gallon per minute. And this regular utility knife for just all-purpose to have. All right, that's all. So about halfway done. Got the first bed done with a new irrigation, and I got to work my way down this way. Hit this crepe myrtle and go all the way back to the back to finish it. So funny story. This side of the property has actually changed 3 times. When I first started it, I only had a bed here, which is a similar dog bone shape you see now. And it's changed a couple times over the years. Had a couple of sporadic trees here and there going up and down the property line. But I want to say thanks and big shout out to John Hurley Landscaping here in Southern Maryland. They helped me out quite a bit with the new layout that you see here on the right side. So thanks, John. Appreciate you guys. Now it's my responsibility to take care of it. All right. All right, looks like we got the project on this side pretty good. Get some nice coverage on those emerald green arborvitaes. I think they're really gonna appreciate that. Should get rid of some of that browning at the bottom. I'm gonna let this run for a little while. Deodar cedar getting some much love. I think I got to go back and redo that Leland. I didn't get one directly on it, so let me do that. Matter of fact, let me see if I can show you how I do this real quick. All right, so what I'm going to attempt to do is try to put one of these pointing directly at that Leland cypress. So I use this tool to punch the holes, and I use this tool as the emitter. There you have it. I think the Leland cypress is going to like that. All right, so next time on Working the Yard with Will, we're going to plant a garden. But first, we got to design it. Stay tuned.